In this video, I'll show you how to use Discord on your PS5. Firstly, turn on your PS5 and sign in. On the dashboard, select the settings icon in the top right corner. In the settings menu, go to users and accounts, then linked services. You'll see a list of accounts that you can link to your PS5. Just select Discord. Choose link account and review the disclosure message. This explains what the information will be shared between your PlayStation Network and Discord. Just hit accept and continue to proceed. You now need to link your PS5 to Discord, but you have three options. To use the code provided, visit discord.com/activate on a secondary device and log in to your Discord account, then enter the code displayed on your PS5. Or you can just scan the QR code. After logging in or entering the code, click Authorize on Discord to grant permissions to connect to your account with PSN, and your PSN screen will confirm that your Discord account is linked. You're all set. You can now use Discord on your PS5 for voice chats, game streaming, or connecting with friends. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.